Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about some plants I have in a terrarium I was gifted from my friend Nikki. She just moved into her new house and she didn't want it. And of course, I was like, well, you're not throwing that out. So these are some of my favorite plants in this terrarium and I absolutely love them. And I just wanted to show them off to you guys. Now these were in a recent cactus tour, but I just thought that they looked so cute, so symmetrically set up. And all terracotta pots, and I just think that they're so lovely. So back here we have an old man cactus. Oh, let's get the glare right here. Actually, I wanted to show you this thing. I'm not sure where she got this. I'm gonna say possibly IKEA, but it has a little hinge here. You wanna focus, please? It has a little hinge here that goes right into here so you can keep it opened, so you can not keep in humidity, which these are cactus, so it's not really what I'm looking to do. This is more for looks. I have it on a hinge here so you can open it up. So we'll do that on both sides. Oh, don't smash the Adansonii. So now it's completely open, which I think is really cool. This thing is so awesome. It's all glass, and I feel like small, tiny propagations of aeroids would love this thing. So let's start with this little guy here. This is my old man cactus, or an Oroceras cactus. And on it, look at it looks fuzzy, but guys, it's not, and you won't catch me touching it. There's the name again if you wanted to look them up. Down in this corner I have just a tiny little succulent. It is, I believe it's a Sempervitum. Say that 5 times. Of some sort. It looks like it could be in the family of hen and chicks, but I'm not 100% certain. I got this, it was not labeled. I potted it up in a little terracotta and I love it there. Now this is my Euphorbia Daccarii, and I love this plant. These leaves look leafy and soft, but they are as thick as cardboard. Like, see if I could reach in here. See, they don't even move. They're like super stiff, and they like to crawl along the sand of the terracotta pot. I absolutely love this thing. It's just so wonky. Love the wonky ones. Down over here is my white ghost euphorbia that is rooting up. Let's see if we can see it better here. There we go. It is in the process of rooting up. I got it from Plant Shop Chicago as a gift, and I cannot wait for this thing to get gigantic. My goal, guys, is Becadella plants. Her white ghost euphorbia, super envious of that thing. So we're gonna try to get it to be Becadella plant size. I don't know if it's gonna work. It's very tiny. Okay, over here is my ornatum, Astrophytum ornatum. And just the way that this thing is shaped is so cool to me. And the spines are fierce. I mean, it just looks like it's defending something, you know, like stay away. It's in defense mode. It almost looks like it's covered in mealybugs, but I promise you it's not. I absolutely love it. It's so pretty. Okay, this one over here is a mammillaria, and I can't pronounce what the name of it is. Fraliana? There you go, can you see that? That's what that is. This one has tiny little spines everywhere. It's so beautiful. Look at that. The dark green flesh on it. I love it. Now this one I'm most proud of. This is my lithop. Let me see if I can come down here and show you. It's a little, there we go. This, I had a fail with a lithop not that long ago, about a year ago. And I noticed that, see that like skin it looks like it shed? That was one of these. And I noticed it was getting kind of mushy, and I threw it out because I thought it was dying, but really it was growing a baby. I now know that, and look at that. They both just sprouted up there. So cool. They get ample light in this window here. It's in front of a east-facing window, and this window here gets so much sun, and it just bounces off the heat of the glass. and I feel like they love it in here. It's definitely mimicking the desert. I almost want to put like some moss or sand or even lava rock like in the bottom of it there, just to kind of make it look prettier. But I just got this, I just set it up, so I wanted to give you guys a quick little tour of it. I absolutely love it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, or if you have any ideas for me to do something else with it. I do want to keep cactus in it, so that's my goal. I know you normally wouldn't put cactus in a terrarium, but I just love it. So let me know what you guys would do. All right, guys, I appreciate you guys watching. If you're not already, please consider subscribing, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.